Hi, my name is Diego Alejandro Rodríguez Cruz. I am 20 years. I am a student of Escuela Colombiana Ingeniería Julio Garavito from Bogota, Colombia. I am 5th semester of System Engineering. I am friendly and respectful person, responsible for each activity carried out. I have to interact easy with people. I haven't work experience, but I want to first outside work abroad as it would be a good start for my professional life and would be committed to show that I have good skills to develop any task I put to perform. I would be one of the people hired by the company to make a great experience which change my perspective of a new culture. I hope to the provider are looking for work signs. I am very interested for the work with you. Thank you very much for your attention.